Most people get personal loans wrong by assuming the process is complicated or reserved for perfect credit. Today, I'm sharing my experience with Opportun, a personal loan provider that focuses on helping people build or improve credit. Opportun offers unsecured personal loans ranging from $300 to $10,000, depending on your eligibility. Interest rates are higher than traditional banks, starting around 9.99% APR and going up based on credit history. Most people get this wrong by thinking the rates are unreasonably high, but for those with limited credit history, Opportun provides access to funds that traditional lenders may not. The application process is fast and entirely online. I completed mine in under 10 minutes and received a decision within a day. The surprising truth is that Opportun uses alternative credit scoring methods, so even if you have no prior loans or credit cards, you may still qualify. Repayment terms range from 6 to 36 months. Monthly payments are clearly outlined, and there's flexibility for early repayment without penalties. Opportun also reports your payments to major credit bureaus, which means responsible repayment can help build or improve your credit score. Customer service is responsive via phone and online chat. During my experience, questions about loan terms and payment schedules were answered promptly. Most people underestimate the value of clear support when dealing with loans, but it can make the process much smoother. One thing to keep in mind is that late payments incur fees and can impact your credit, so it's crucial to stay on top of your schedule. In conclusion, Opportun is a solid option for personal loans if you are looking to build credit or need access to funds without traditional bank requirements. Most people get personal loans wrong by assuming rejection is inevitable, but Opportun opens doors for many first-time borrowers. Subscribe for more finance reviews so you can make informed borrowing decisions.